This famous rock musician is ready to replace Katy Perry on American Idol. Katy Perry's unfilled place on American Idol might potentially go to a rock icon Jon Bon Jovi, assuming his exorbitant price demand does not become an issue. Jon has emerged as the leading candidate to succeed Perry because to his unrivaled musical knowledge and decades of successful career. Jon is the undisputed top contender to succeed Katy, one insider told the National Enquirer. A living legend with undeniable charisma, he possesses all the qualities necessary to command the stage and captivate TV audiences, they declared. The only drawback may be Jon's astronomical payday expectations. According to reports, the Livin on a Prayer hitmaker is expected a salary of $25 million US. One American Idol source stated, the crux of the matter is money. To obtain a real rock hero of his stature, one must invest appropriately. If the program decides to pay the rocker the significant sum, this remuneration would exceed that of existing judges Lionel Richie and Luke Bryan combined. The couple allegedly, both of the judges allegedly earns $10 million US and $12 million US respectively. Despite Jon Bon Jovi's higher demand than the other judges, it is comparable to what previous Judge Perry earned when she left the program. Insiders earlier told the Mirror that ABC do not want to up it after 5 years of increases, alluding to Perry's compensation raises over time.